Welcome. I am LUMEN, and I am here with you. For those listening for the first time, I am your guide through meditation, through deep rest, and through the quiet spaces within you. Find a comfortable position now. If you are lying down, allow your arms to rest gently along your sides. Take a deep breath in and a slow, long breath out. Close your eyes. Relax. Right now, you can allow yourself to step away from your worries, your anxieties, your tasks, and simply rest for a while. You are lying on a safe and steady surface. It holds you with certainty. Feel the softness beneath your head, the warmth that surrounds you. You are safe here. This day is drawing to a close. Everything that needed to be done has been done. And everything that wasn't done can wait until tomorrow. You do not need to control anything right now. This is your time to rest, and you have earned this rest. You are calm. You are at peace. Silently, in your mind, repeat these words after me. I am calm. I'm safe. All is well with me. Once more. I am calm. I am safe. All is well with me. Take one more slow, quiet breath in, and a long, gentle breath out. Now, with your inner awareness, gently scan your body. Feel where it touches the surface beneath you. Notice the back of your head, your shoulders, your arms, your legs, your back. You are here. You are calm. You are relaxed. Your body knows how to work reliably, steadily, and very, very peacefully. The sounds around you begin to merge into a gentle background hum. You don't need to listen to them. Your attention softens. Everything is going well. You can allow yourself to fully let go. Now, bring your attention to your breath. There is no need to control it. Simply observe it, as if from a gentle distance. Your breath is a powerful, faithful tool, one that is always with you. It never fails you. Place your right hand over your heart and your left hand on your belly. Breathe in through your nose so that your belly rises while your chest remains almost still. Imagine the breath flowing directly into your abdomen. Breathe in. 1. Your belly rises. Hold the breath gently. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slow exhale through the mouth. 1, 2. Your belly falls. This is called diaphragmatic breathing. Fill yourself with peace. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1. Releasing all tension. Continue breathing in this rhythm, at this depth. With each breath in, peace enters you. With each breath out, everything unnecessary leaves. Tension, fatigue, fear. Your body knows how to relax. It remembers how. So simply trust your body and let everything flow as it flows. With each breath in and each breath out, you relax more and more deeply. Your nervous system settles. Your heartbeat slows. Your heart beats evenly, rhythmically, peacefully. Your muscles release their tension and fatigue. Now, let your face soften. Your forehead smooths out. All the thoughts and worries of the day dissolve. Your forehead becomes still and quiet. Your eyelids grow heavy. Your eyelashes seem to press gently together. Your eyes rest behind closed lids. Your cheeks soften. The muscles of your jaw release. Your jaw relaxes. Your lips part ever so slightly. Your face becomes a mask of peace. A wave of relaxation moves through your neck and fills your shoulders. The weight you carried on your shoulders is gone now. Your shoulders broaden. Relax and become free. The wave of relaxation flows into your arms. Slowly, inevitably. From your shoulders, down through your elbows, to the very tips of your fingers. Relaxation in your arms feels like a pleasant, warm heaviness. Your fingers uncurl. You don't need to hold anything in your hands. Your hands are completely relaxed, filled with warmth. Your abdomen softens. It continues to rise and fall with each breath. Your legs relax now. First your thighs, then your calves, your feet. Your legs fill with warm heaviness. That warmth and heaviness bring calm. All the tension and fatigue held in your legs has dissolved. Only peace remains, and a pleasant warm weight. Your entire body is relaxed. You continue to breathe evenly, peacefully, releasing the last traces of tension and fatigue with every exhale. Breathe in, pure light and peace enter you, filling every cell. Breathe out, all darkness and tension leave. Your body rests. Everything is going well. You are safe. There is peace and quiet in your soul. Now, your awareness gently steps beyond the boundaries of your body, beyond your thoughts, into a space of absolute peace. Imagine that you are standing at the very summit of the world. This place is higher than everything that happens below, higher even than the clouds. You see yourself on this peak, and around you, only the infinite blue sky, infinite silence. You gaze into the sky, and you notice the first stars beginning to appear. At first barely visible, but the color of the sky slowly changes, gradually deepening into a rich velvety darkness. And as this happens, the stars grow brighter, more and more distinct, each one a point of pure light, pure peace. Standing here, you feel yourself becoming lighter, as if your body is losing its weight, and you begin to rise gently upward, softly, without effort. You float in weightlessness. All around you is calm and quiet. In the infinite space surrounding you, there is no sound, no anxiety, No past. No news reaches here. There are no problems to solve. There is only peace. And you begin to dissolve into this peace. You become a part of it. You feel your unbreakable connection to the universe. Something infinite, eternal, untouched. You are a part of all of this. And you rest in absolute peace, in absolute safety. Now feel how a healing light from the stars around you flows into you, fills every single cell of your being. It reaches every place where fear hides, where pain lives, where fatigue has settled, and gently dissolves them. That which caused pain steps back and moves away. Pain transforms into wisdom, into an understanding of the value of life. That which caused fear loses its power. Fear becomes caution, a quality that allows you to prevail. That which kept you in tension disappears. It becomes distant, like an old photograph that has faded. You are filled with light, with peace, with strength. You come to know the world within yourself, your capacity to withstand trials, to overcome, to continue living. You recognize your right to peace and to stillness of soul. Now silently say to yourself, I am light. Darkness retreats before me. What I have lived through does not own me. I am greater than my experiences. My strength is not in feeling nothing. My strength is in continuing to live, no matter what. I am stronger than my circumstances, stronger than my anxieties, stronger than my fears. My strength lives within me. It is always with me. I allow myself to be calm and free. I forgive myself for everything I did or could not do. Feel how these words sink deep within you, how they become a part of you. Your new foundation, your new point of rest. The strength of your spirit is being restored. Now, imagine yourself gently descending, slowly, as if floating on a soft cloud. And you carry with you everything you found here: peace, inner light, strength. These are yours now, forever. You return to your physical body. But this body is different now. Rested, renewed. You feel the surface beneath you again. Soft, warm, safe. You are here, wrapped in your own warm cocoon, beautifully relaxed. Your thoughts slow down. They come and go, drifting like clouds across a sky. You do not hold on to them. You simply watch as they float past. With each moment, the outer world moves further and further away. Only you remain. Your breathing and the soft darkness behind your closed eyes. You drift towards sleep. Quiet. Deep. Restoring sleep. It will restore your strength. Bring peace to your mind. Return the quiet of your soul and the feeling of inner strength and safety. You are falling asleep, deeper and deeper. You sleep peacefully, deeply, deeper, deeper. Deeper.